Hey guys, welcome back and hello to anyone who's new here. My name is Sarah and I post lifestyle, fashion, and college content. Feel free to subscribe to me to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video is going to be a room transformation video. As you can see in the back, embarrassingly, I thought this was going to be like a 2-week process, really chill, fun, whatever, but it actually took me like 6 months, and it wasn't me actually like doing everything, but it was like editing process and all that. It just got messed up. So I mainly decided to redo my room because I decided to stay home instead of going on campus because I thought it was like a safer option. Plus I would save a lot of money. I just wanted to make sure my room was a safe and comfortable place to be in. And at the time I didn't vibe with my room at all. It was too girly, not my thing. So I wanted something more mature, but you'll see how it kind of looks like in the first clip. Basically it had purple walls, a girly feel to it. My preferences changed a lot since that time. Overall, my room decor was not cohesive at all. So the inspiration started when I was just on Pinterest scrolling around, and then I saw these incredible rooms. Most of the rooms I gravitated towards had a lot of plants and neutral colors, maybe a pop of orange or brown here and there. If you're thinking of redecorating your room, I highly recommend Pinterest. You can find literally any style you like and then create your board with all of the furniture you want. The main features I wanted my room to have were a lot of mirrors, a lot of art, plants, greenery to give it a little bit of life. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you won't be bored. Let's go. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this middle unit right here. It's just really bulky and takes up a lot of space in my room. So here I'm removing all of the random crap in my bookcase that I haven't touched since like middle school. Like random certificates and awards, small knickknacks, and a bunch of other stuff. My drawers are pretty cluttered as well, no surprise. But yeah, so since I'm getting rid of this middle unit to have more space, I also have to figure out a place to store my art supplies and my jewelry. Now I'm organizing everything I took out, and I'm somehow planning to store all of this again in my room. My dad also helped me move my bookcase to my brother's room since he needed extra storage. Today I decided to tackle my desk and recycle any old papers from school. I'm also removing everything from my desk hutch because I want to do a deep cleaning and just wipe down everything. Oh my god guys, my iPod with a little Lisa Frank sticker. Just look at that. So cute. Now I'm picking out all the books I want to donate because honestly some of my books would be put to better use in someone else's hands rather than just catching dust on my shelf. Now I'm sifting through all my old AP notes because AP teachers apparently don't know when to stop assigning busy work. Sorry honey, I'm gonna have to let you go. Just gonna go in with the unicorn right there. Now I'm gonna take off all of these posters and this art. I'm gonna keep these 3 flowers that I painted. I'm definitely like selling these 2 and just taking off all of this. And by the way, these are all the shows I was in high school. I'm sleeping good tonight. That just decided to fall. I am so proud of this. Oh my god. A lot of random things. Day 3 was yet another day of decluttering, and as I was taking apart my keyboard stand, this metal compartment fell on my foot, and it hurt so bad, guys. Anyways, so I store all of my receipts on my top dresser, so I'm getting rid of any receipts that I don't need. This whole thing is the cherished wall of my preteen years, and if any of you guys have written on this wall, I'll definitely remember you forever. You know, memories and all that, but it's gonna have to go because it like clashes with my whole new theme for my room. I'm gonna have to take it off. It's kind of like a sticker chalkboard situation. Do you guys see this? Nash Greer? This was from a while back. This This is so satisfying. Oh shit. What am I doing? I don't really like these hanging things on my lights, so I'm probably gonna get rid of them. I actually was going to paint today, but I didn't realize how much random crap I have in my room. It took me so long to just get rid of everything, so I'm just gonna paint tomorrow, and I need to tape down my room and do all this stuff. Today I'm moving my bed so I can start painting my walls. That is disgusting. We're getting paint. Yay! I decided to go with the color Bavarian Cream, which is a soft off-white with a warm undertone. Now all my furniture is in the center of my room so the paint doesn't get anywhere. Just cleaning the corners so the tape sticks. Okay, so this looks horrendous, but basically my shower is on the other side of the wall and it wasn't sealed properly, so some water was soaking through the wall from my bathroom, as you can see. Now I'm taping the corners of my windsill and my doors to protect them from the paint, because we want crisp corners, guys. My mom is such an angel and she did most of the painting, so thank you, Mom. But honestly guys, this looks so easy, but in reality my arms were aching like hell. Here's a comparison to my old lavender color. Hey guys, so we're almost done with the most difficult part. We painted 2 layers on my wall already. So it's this really nice cream color. This took about 2 days to get it all covered up, and we obviously did all the corners and everything, so I can't wait till this is over. So we still have to paint this wall right here because there was an issue with leaking. Can't wait to decorate and put everything back in place because all my stuff is currently in my mom's room, and I'll show you guys. So currently all my stuff is in the hallway. All of my books are right here. And this dresser that I'm actually getting rid of, and I'm replacing it with this one right here. So it's a mess. I waited 2 days for the paint to dry, and now I'm peeling off the tape, and this is honestly my favorite part. It's so satisfying. I love how bright and crisp it looks, and it also has a warm tone to it. It's not a full-on flat white. My furniture was looking a little crusty, so I decided to do a deep clean. I'm using Goof Off to get rid of any stains. Moving my desk next to the window because I like the natural light there. Gonna spray paint this a gold color, and I'm gonna spray paint this vase a nice solid white. Here's the before. So gross. You guys have no idea, I literally scrubbed for 30 minutes straight, but it actually looks brand new. I'm just gonna cover up these spots right here with white paint, but it looks so good. And then I also cleaned my desk. Some paint was peeling off on my windowsill, so I'm covering it up again. A little break. So here's just some clips of my mom helping me move all my furniture to their new places. I thought it would be more convenient to have my bookcases surround my vanity. It would also save a lot of space. I'm keeping this unit in the same space it was before. I basically store my towels and socks and use a third one as my hamper. I have my bed in the same space as well, but I'm just adding my new dresser, which I love. I really like how the wood contrasts with my white bed. Since I stupidly never used my windows in my old room, a lot of dirt has built up, so I'm just vacuuming that crap up. I never made use of my windows, and look how wonderful this view is. Except like when people are walking, they can see me. This tree is from my living room, but I'm actually gonna use it for my room. Oh my god. I have no idea how I'm gonna decorate my bookcase. I don't know how to start this. So I started by organizing my books based on color. Here it's yellow. I added a wooden S, my old Polaroid, and this cute cactus plant that my grandma actually made. I got this adorable bracelet holder, which I'm placing on my vanity. Adding some more decor, my jewelry box, fake flowers, perfumes, you know. I'm adding another plant to my desk hutch and an excessive amount of Sharpies, highlighters, and gel pens. I'm also placing some of my most used books on the side, and I hope they don't fall off. By the time I'm recording this, one of those plants died, sadly. These fairies are probably my favorite thing in my whole entire room. I mean, look at how cute they are. I also ended up putting in curtains over here, and they're kind of transparent, which I really like. This curtain rod, which I got from a thrift store. Hang it up over here. I got this macrame plant hanger from Shein. Here I'm installing this vintage frame I got from Goodwill. Over here, I just have this hanger. I used to have a single hanger here, and it was not ideal, and I find this to be much more efficient to just hang up all my things. So I hanged up my nicest looking bag, I guess. And then I have my mask. So I think this is really practical and useful. So my mom came up with a really good idea. So we had these two baskets in the back, and we had no use for them. Both of them actually fit perfectly on my headboard. Up here, I just stored my colored pencils, this random storage thing, and these two stuffed animals. I have all my journals and my playbills. So I had nowhere to store them since I got rid of most of my storage stuff. So it was really nice to have this. Right here, I have all my snow globes. I absolutely love this. It's actually from an old dresser, but my grandma used this as a planter. It looks really vintage. These pieces from China, so there's a little elephant, my stamp right there. It's my Chinese zodiac, the horse. I need to hang this calendar up. I have this cute little box that I thought might be nice to store stuff in. Highlighters in this little glass container. Then I have my AirPods, my pencil case, whatever. And then I have more pencils. I like to use pots, these little pots for my pencils. Stand. I bought these two from Marshall's. And then I have this little turtle coral decoration. You like my bed, Lucy? I kind of like diversified how I laid out my books. I got this S letter from Marshall's as well. So basically, you're gonna put all the books that are ugly. I mean, I obviously love Dork Diaries, don't get me wrong, but they don't fit the theme. What I did was I put all the yellows here, all the greens here, and then I put this one right over it. Love this look. So it just covers it up and you can still have your books. Right now I'm gonna fix my plants with my grandma. Out here I already have some plants prepared. These are gonna be hanged up. This is a plant that I'm gonna hang. Here are some small plants and decorations I'm using to create my terrarium. I am so happy with how this turned out. Today I wanted to start my art gallery, so I measured the wall and I placed a layout on the floor of what I wanted it to look like. Creating templates makes the process a lot easier. I got this cute moon lamp from Amazon. Okay, so here I'm attempting to recreate this jewelry organizer, which is about $40 on Etsy. I already had the wood, but I had to go and purchase some screw hooks. I measured my space, cut the wood, and then I attached it using wood glue. I also decided to use a maple colored wood stain. Now I'm drilling some holes so I can screw in the hooks. I used commando strips to attach it to the side of my bookcase. This jewelry hanger is honestly such a lifesaver because it prevents tangles and it's so much easier to find the necklace I want. I was about to buy a mirror, but I found this old mirror in my garage and decided to put it to good use. I bought this macrame tapestry and the string lights from Amazon, and it looks amazing together. This botanical poster is also from Amazon. I forgot to film this, but I also added some vines. These art pieces, or whatever you call them, are kind of gross, so I decided to switch them out. So today I'm just decorating my bookshelves, which my mom installed, by the way, because I kind of just gave up. Now we're installing a hook into my wall so I can hang my plant. Instead of buying a pre-made photo collage like the Tezza kit, I decided to make my own so I could personalize it. So here I'm just adding quotes and some inspiring photos. I also printed the pictures on glossy paper. It took about 8 hours to find all these photos. It took even longer to print them up because my printer is slow AF. It's a little more pink than I expected. Hey guys, so I added a few new things to my room that I wanted to show you. If you guys don't know, I run a jewelry business and I decided to repurpose one of these old tables that we had. I painted it white over here. I just use this area to make all my jewelry and store all of my findings and charms and stuff like that. And over here I have some of my packaging supplies. Okay, ignore the trash. I got these two plants from a local plant nursery. They are so adorable. Transforming this room has been a journey. Honestly, it is so worth it. I feel much more productive and happy in my new space. I hope this video inspired you to redecorate or redo your room. Feel free to subscribe to me for future videos and it will really motivate me to make more for you guys. Thank you so much. Love you all.